I was diagnosed with emphysema about 11 and a half or 12 years ago, right after an x-ray was taken by my family doctor, and I had just quit smoking. Once I was diagnosed, it was rather devastating. It was very difficult to walk out into the yard even, up and down the stairs. It affected when I would babysit for my grandkids. That was rough. That hurt more than anything. I would go to the church and do dinners. Just to walk around was a chore in itself. I played the bells in church, and it was very difficult to lift those bells even sometimes. Other things, such as going to the grocery store, as long as I had the cart to push, I was in good shape. But other than that, yeah, it was rough. I was given 3 options. The first option was to be on the transplant list. The second option was to have the bad parts cut away. And the third option was to be on the valve procedure. And so I chose the third, and I'm very happy I did. The few days afterwards, I started feeling normal again, like the mother, a grandmother, and just getting back to doing things that I love to do. I had my treatment on January 13th, 2016, and it is a day that I will never forget. If I didn't get the valve procedure, there were things that I might have missed. A lot of things to do with the heart. I have my daughter was married September 8th. I had a new grandson born August 30th of last year. He just turned a year old. There are things with my church family, lots of dinners that I might have missed. I might have missed playing bells with my choir at Christmas. Christmas time is when I count my blessings. I'm thankful for every day that I have, through the year. But Christmas time hits the heart. And I am ecstatically happy about, my decision. My passion for doing things is just about everything I do. I do with passion. There were things that I couldn't do, like walk around the yard. I love to walk around and look at my flowers. Chase the grandkids around. I could not do that at all. And even go to their dance recitals and walk all the way to the front to see them. I had to sit in the back. I mean, things like this are things that I could not do before, which I can do now. I still play the bells at church. The bells were pretty heavy at one time, and they're not so bad now. I can function. I go down to do volunteer work, suppers and hoagie sales and all the different things with my church family. I bake a lot. I used to work in a restaurant and bake pies, which I loved doing. I feed the critters on my deck, little squirrels and chippies, and there's so many things that I can do now without hesitation. Loving it, just loving it. Be you again.